Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to install this Pioneer aftermarket radio in a 2003 Passat. Stay tuned. So that's a factory radio. It's a Monsoon factory radio. And I'll be installing this Pioneer double din radio. Here are some of the tools that I'll be using, including these 4 keys to remove the OEM radio. I got this from Amazon. This is supposed to connect to the factory wire harness, then connect to this wire harness that came with the radio. So this goes to the factory wire harness. These wires, they go together like this, and this goes to the radio. So, and also I picked up a pack of these. I'm going to be using these to crimp onto the wires. Okay, alright, let's get these wires connected. Okay, everything is all connected, so now it's time to put this in the car. So, but first I'm gonna remove the car radio. These things are supposed to be facing this way. Makes a click. This one, they face inwards. Like that. And I like to pull on it like this, like one top, one bottom. It should pop out just like that. Yeah, once it's loose, then it should freely. I'm just gonna set this aside. And here goes a new wire harness. So the new wire harness, I'm gonna plug it in like this. And this should click in place as well. Yep, that's good. And this is the cord for the antenna, and I'm gonna plug it into the factory antenna cord, just like this. And it should make a clicking noise just like that. And this goes to the back of the radio. So that's the mic for the radio, and that's where I mounted it, right below the steering wheel. So it's in there, and I ran the wire behind the dash under, and it comes through here, and this is a mic wire. So I ran the USB extension cord in the glove box. So it basically goes through that slit right there at the bottom of the glove box, and it comes through behind the dashboard and through the radio slot right here. So this is the wire. I'm gonna wrap up this mic extension cord. And then I'm gonna Velcro it. And now it's time to wrap up this USB extension cord. I'm also going to Velcro this because I don't want it to be so long. Okay, so now let's connect all the wires to the back of the radio. Alright, so I'm gonna connect the USB cable first. And then wire harness. And then the antenna. And then the mic. And I'll install this piece last. Make sure these two clips are at the bottom. After you're done installing the radio, just check to make sure everything works. And if you want to know how to make your radio turn on when you insert the key and turn off whenever you remove the key, you could check out my other video. I'll put the link in the description. Alright, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.